and now we are here with the fourth element of QBD, that is that we're going to talk about determining the design space. Now what it actually means, determining the design space means we can formulate a drug in any type of machine, or we can use any brand of machine or equipment. It can definitely vary from one manufacturer company to another. So what is the design space? What if there is a small company with the small brands with a little amount of manufacturing products, stuffs, equipments, machines, and with less personals, it's a small company but it is running good, then they have a particular amount of standards that they follow and they produce a product. If there is a big company, there's a large company, they have a good amount of machine personals and stuff, then they use a different kind of, so there's a difference, and both are companies and both produce, both are manufacturers, but there is a difference in their levels. Okay, so there is a difference in their manufacturing area, there is a difference in their process, the machines that the brand they use. So for example, if we take a basic example, that if we want to bake a cake, okay, so that cake can be baked in any kind of oven. We can use an IFB oven, we can use and the Whirlpool microwave, we can use a Bosch microwave. Okay, we have different brands of microwaves that can bake the cake, but the cake can be baked with the different variations, because every kind of oven has the different specifications of its own. Okay, it's 120, or in the other it can be baked only 160. So there's a difference in time and temperature. Okay, so that is called the design space. If the manufacturing has a big area, has a short area, small area, different machines, so is the specifications has to be same. The product ultimately has to be efficient, it has to be safe. Okay, the product has to be safe. That is what we want at the end of the day. And so determining that design space is that one point that we discuss about the design space or the quality of equipments we use. Now on the fifth one talks about the identifying the controlled strategy. Okay, identifying the controlled strategy. Now what does this mean? Okay, controlled strategy here means the control conditions. Okay, if there is a specific limit, there is a specific amount of limit that can be added, the drug content, the API, the impurity, percentage of impurity, it has to be limited. Okay, so we have to control that stuff, we have to approve at every step, assure, and then go forward. Okay, so that is called identifying the controlled strategy, right? Okay, this strategy is given by ICH guideline Q series 10. It is given by the ICH Q series 10 that we have to check, we have to assure the quality at each step. We have to make it controlled. If it is not controlled, we have to first control it. We have to first we have to make it correct it, and then only we can go forward. So identify the controlled strategy. And the last one is, that is continuous improvement. Okay, now continuous improvement, it may it mainly talks about, it mainly focuses about the reduction of variables. It talks about the reduction of variables. Reduction of variables. What does it actually mean? Okay, it actually means variables here means the change. Okay, reduction means reduce the change. We have to reduce the change. Again, I will take a particular example. If we order of we or if we go and buy a cake, okay, we like the cake, we use it and we eat it. Now we want to buy again from the same shop because we like the taste. So now the cake we are going to buy again, it has to be of the same kind, it has to have the same taste. Okay, so it cannot be changed at any condition because we have tasted it, we have liked it, so we are buying it again. Then that cake has to be baked again and it has to have the same quality, same texture, color, taste. Okay, there should be no change. So reduction of variables, reduction of change, it is called continuity. Here continuity means the word. Now improvement, if in case there is a change, even if the company who is baking the cake, the bakery shop, if it changes, then that change has to be only in the increasing level. The taste only can be only better, only that change is acceptable. It cannot lose its quality. That change is not acceptable. It is only the change which is acceptable is the improvement, is the improved quality of change. Otherwise, it does not have to be changed, it has to be the same. If it changes, that means there is no improvement, it is decreasing the quality. Okay, so that means the continuous improvement is reduction of variables. So that is all about the elements of QbD. What are those? QTPP, quality target product profile. Then identify the quality attributes. We have discussed about CQM, CQAs, CDP. Alright, risk management talks about ICS-Q9. What are the risks? We have discussed about 4 FMEA, HCCP, FT, all that. Then determining the design space. Okay, design space specifications vary, but product has to be same. It has to be safe and efficient. Then identify the control strategy. Okay, control strategy, that means the specification, packaging, primary control, all the planned set of controls, that has to be planned. Then continuous improvement means there should be no change in the every time when we pass a batch. So that is all about QbD. Thank you for this video.